Conquering test anxiety with visualization techniques. Hey there! If you're preparing for the GMAT or GRE, you're probably no stranger to the feeling of test anxiety. Today, we're going to dive deep into one effective strategy to manage this anxiety: visualization techniques. Stick around and discover how visualization can make a big difference on your test day. Visualization is a mindfulness practice where you create images, scenes, or events in your mind. Just as athletes use this technique to imagine themselves winning a game or race, test takers can use visualization to imagine a successful test experience. The basic idea is simple. By picturing yourself succeeding, you set a positive tone and train your mind to be more relaxed and confident. Our brains are incredibly powerful. When we visualize a scenario, our brain releases neurotransmitters that make us feel like we are experiencing the event in real life. By repeatedly visualizing a positive test-taking experience, we can 1. Reduce anxiety. The more you practice seeing yourself succeed, the more familiar and comfortable you become with the idea. 2. Boost confidence. By seeing yourself answer questions with ease, you can boost your self-belief. 3. Prepare mentally. Visualization prepares your mind, making the actual test situation feel less foreign and intimidating. 1. Find a quiet place. Start by finding a calm, quiet space where you can sit down without disturbances. 2. Close your eyes. This will help you focus solely on your mental images. 3. Breathe deeply. Take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. 4. Imagine the test day. Picture yourself waking up feeling refreshed, arriving at the test center, and confidently tackling each question. Feel the satisfaction as you move through the sections, knowing you're doing your best. 5. Embrace positive emotions. Focus on feelings of pride, happiness, and relief as you complete the test. 6. Repeat. Like any other skill, the more you practice visualization, the better you get at it. Try to do this exercise daily as your test day approaches. While visualization is powerful, be wary of 1. Overconfidence. Remember, visualization is a supplement, not a substitute for actual test prep. Continue your regular study routine. 2. Avoiding negative scenarios. While it's essential to focus on positive imagery, occasionally think about challenges and visualize overcoming them. This prepares you for unexpected hiccups on test day. Visualization isn't magic, but it is a powerful tool that can help set a positive tone for your test day. By practicing this technique, you're not just preparing academically but also mentally and emotionally. We hope this video has shed light on how you can harness the power of your imagination to conquer test anxiety. All the best with your GMAT or GRE prep, and remember to visualize your success.